So here at Blackman High School, we prepare our students for a career in the field of culinary arts.
Not only do I like the cooking, but I love the teaching. I love the techniques you learn. It can help me later in life. A program like this really is as good as its instructors.
Our program here at Blackman, and this is truly from the bottom of my heart, they've worked from their freshman year all the way through their senior year, and they've been with me. It's like family.
Culinary 1 is the foundation for success.
Learn the basics, basic knife making, stocks, soups and sauces.
We get to make fresh sausage, pasta from scratch. We learn how to do cream puffs, eclairs, cakes. We do cake wars. I thought I was just going to be like, this is a recipe, this is how you cook it. But he's actually taught us a lot about hospitality. And so when we have the bistros, I'm out there doing the cash register.
We do more events than any program in this county. December time frame, we did over 100.
We do bistro and some food to our regular students. They love it. We make a lot of profit off of it. We learn different things. We have trips. We have people that come in. We experience all around the world foods. It's just a lot in one.
The key to success for our students here at Blackman is just you have to have that drive. If you have that drive, that wanting to learn this, you will succeed in this industry.
Have spent so much time in here. There's been days I've stayed until like 9 o'clock after school practicing with my teammates.
We have a very good program going here. We've got a lot of students. We've gotten 2 students that have already gotten full rides to culinary schools.
But then I quickly grew a passion for it, and since then I've been competing. I actually got a full ride to a culinary school.
Proud of them to where they've gotten. Either full ride scholarships to college or multiple scholarships from different colleges just because of what they did.
Just seeing them succeed in life makes me feel good. As they progress, it makes me want to progress also to keep them learning more. It keeps me learning too.
Right now I have students that are in restaurants that are making $17, $18 an hour.
I'm all in for it, and I've learned to love it.